Look out for him. It's funny, I think I got the belts wet and they're a little tight. I think they shrunk. They're just screechy. Anyways. Everyone keeps thinking, oh, it must be easy to skate around. People are driving crap here, so you got to be almost more aware, I think, to be honest. To be honest, I think you have to be more aware. I'm thankful. I don't want him running into me. He doesn't want to run into me. I don't want to run into him. Pretty crazy. This would be the craziest spot usually on Earth right here. Not so much. This lane has crazy glass and shit in it everywhere. Drive, drive, drive! Fucking characters are everywhere. Alright, team, quick drop off. And I'll catch you on that flip side. Keep it something like that. Mr. Sandman, bring me a train. Got shit everywhere. I just go, fuck it. I will make that illegal left turn, though. Pick your battles, people. Find smooth pathways. This one's one of my best ones. Yeah, there's a few crazies out, but good road. Not too many cars. Shortcuts to where I want to get going. Part of the danger of driving this stuff is just knowing where to go. Let's go, dude. Domino still doesn't know how to drive. Poor guy has to do it all now. Dominoes, lift. And he's not a good driver. Horrible. That's why you stay in the middle too. See how that car just pulled out? If you were fucking riding that, they might not even see you. So, get it. And when you see the meth head, you just look them straight in the fucking face and go, I'm gonna fucking run you over, motherfucker. And then they go, okay, never mind. I'll walk across. They're there. They are mentally there, my people. That's part of the game. Crack kills. Crack kills. My peoples. Da 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 da. We wear a mask, it looks like. I like it. San Francisco, represent. Common fucking sense. I don't need to wear a mask. I can drool and slobber and cough over everything. It's not gonna help. Really? Our collective genius minds. And some of you are coming up with this now. This is why you go slow. You never know what these guys are gonna do. Don't know what the car behind is gonna do. Don't know what that guy's gonna do. And you just look at the situation and slowly make your pathway. See blocked, car block. You know what? I'm gonna be like, let the car win this one. Go slow, meandering. Me. Let's see this guy. See if I can do the same thing. Me. Oh. I don't know where they're going. Everywhere, they're everywhere, they're everywhere. Just gotta be ready. Now, Scooter Girl, she's gonna be more dangerous than anyone. Out of everyone here, she's gonna be the worst. Let's see how it all goes down. Got an Onyx bike. Seen more of those. Moped, electric scooter, Onyx, e-board. I think the Onyx would just get the fuck out of this shit. Like her, she's smart. Just get the hell away. I don't want to be near these fuckers. Space. I like my space. Take it and make it. So yes, I run red lights. I get away from the 5 other people. If you think that is more dangerous of me, do you think I should be cited? You get my license plate number. You get my common sense judge, and we'll see you in trial. So I got space now. If you turn around, none of those guys are near me. I got this whole thing to myself, except for idiots that are gonna run out in the street. You're looking pretty good. Okay, still gonna have cars like this, so you're like, what are we doing? What are we doing? I don't know. Who knows? Parking, turning, straight in. That's why you stay on the left. You look at them and just go, what the fuck are you doing? Half of them, they don't even know. Half of them don't even know. Half of them just, they want to get on you. They think that they can get it. They think that I'm gonna be slow. She's gonna try to be on my ass, but what she doesn't realize is, she's gonna be way behind me. When you do get those people who want to ride your ass, pull over. It's easy to pull over and you're good. What are we doing? Even if a car in front of you is doing weird shit, you should react with them, because that means he's gonna flip a U-turn in front of you. They're gonna do stupid stuff, okay? When you see stupid things, call it out, people. Yeah, I may be known as a little aggressive, but what they don't realize is I die, they don't. If this is my choice to be on this thing, then I'm gonna be doing it right. But if you have unaware drivers, then of course you're gonna need to be more progressive. So, anyways. Anywho. Sorry guys, just trying to teach what I know. The only accident I ever had was when I was doing something stupid and not paying attention. I went go-karting off a car. So. Don't want that to happen to anyone. One accident was enough for me, and thankfully it was my own fault. Because I'd be pissed if it was someone else. Well, thank you for joining me while I ran a little chore here. It was like a little obstacle course here, getting down. I like it. I like it. Nice and sunny day. I actually haven't been out in a long time. It's kind of been, I finally had my COVID depression week last week where I didn't get out. So Get that sun. It'll make you feel good, guys. Get some fresh air. Wear a mask. Common sense still rules the world. Peace. Have a good one.